Hey, how's it going? Sean Nightfire here. This is going to be, I guess, video 3 of the deck build. Just putting on the rim joists. First off, make sure to like and share, subscribe. Helps out a lot. Yep, putting the rim joists in, and I'm using 3/8 inch leg bolts there. About 4 inches long, I believe. So, yep, starting to work on that. Best to do this with a partner, but if you're doing it by yourself, you can kind of put like a nail just to hold one side up while you put the other side on. These are pretty high up there. That side is probably about 8 feet. This side will be a little bit lower. But yep, finishing up working that. Ratchet strap up there. I bought these 4x6 beams on discount, so some of them aren't the straightest, but I can kind of straighten them out if needed. And it's good that they arch outwards. It'd be hard to straighten out if they arched inwards. So I'm doing things like putting that together. So yeah, I got a couple more beams to put, and then once that's done, I'm gonna run some 2x6 joists as like a subfloor. So cool. All right, thanks for watching.